Alright, so in this video I'm going to give you a short walkthrough of how you can use Pencil. So Pencil is a new canvas-alike AI app where the very basics are as follows. When you open up Pencil, you probably get a screen similar to this, starting with a Start Here button. I just press here so I can open a new file, and it's pretty similar, pretty easy. Here we can have a couple of example designs. Here at the bottom right corner you can select the model you have attached to your Pencil account. So we have Claude connected, and we have OpenAI GPT Codex connected. Furthermore, in here you can give a specific prompt. Let me just give this this prompt right here so it can work in the background while I walk you through Pencil. In the top left corner we have kits, and kits are something similar to like templates. And you can, for example, tell them, hey, please use the editorial data dashboard kit, and it will use that for the template. Pencil starts working and it creates a beautiful design of your website, app, or whatever you give it. So for this walkthrough I'm just giving a simple prompt that was a standard prompt right there. But in the next video I'm going to walk you through how we can create a triple wheel-alike app by using literally only one prompt and one prompt only. So currently the app is still free, and it's like the framer of vibe designing / vibe coding. So if you are able to download it, I would really recommend it because the app is currently still free. Well, the prompt is working. You will see the AI is working on separate sections of your prompt. In a nutshell, this is actually the walkthrough of Pencil. It's very straightforward. We have covered the kits, we have covered the agents and MCP setup, and we have given it a test prompt so you can see the effectiveness of this this machine. In the next video we're going to dive a bit deeper into building a design with it, and we've made a very nice and functional dashboard by only using one prompt and one prompt only. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.